approved
Vendor list.
vendor E&D over.
A
Yeah,
bit,
correct. Yeah. That is standard, so I don't have any
Chairman,
problem.
just a minute. Can you please show the location of this layout for this HOV replacement in MP21 with MOVs? Because
Yes, I
that
think
location.
yeah,
what
this
is
was shared, but again,
No,
you can
that
share.
I believe that is not shared for MP21.
Santoshi, can you share this GAD?
GAD for
MP21 HOB to MOV replacement.
HOV to MOV. Okay.
Yeah.
Santosh, let me know once you are ready, and I'm going to go ahead.
You can go ahead with the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, let me share my screen. So this is MP21 and the location is one HOV to MOV is here and another one is here. So if you see in this, these two walls are previously HOV. Now we are changing to MOV.
MOV. Yeah.
And similarly here in this location, these two, one wall was in vertical, one was in horizontal. It was HOV. Now it will be MOV. So I will show you if you want to see the detail. So this will be the HOV previously. Now it will be MOV. And similarly for this, same will be changed like this.
The size is 4-inch, if I can see from the piping.
Yeah, size is 4 inch.
Yes, 4 inch only.
Okay.
4 inch only.
Okay.
Good. Thank you, guys. So